RTP Company is your global compounder of custom-engineered thermoplastics. We can provide you with solutions, customization, and services for all your thermoplastic needs. We work in a wide variety of markets. In fact, we produce the thermoplastic compounds behind some of the most famous brands in the world. We formulate thermoplastic compounds starting with raw materials, such as a base resin, modifiers like minerals or glass fiber, and a pigment if color is needed. The raw materials are weighed according to the formula and loaded into a blender to pre-mix them. The blended material is then fed into an extruder, which has a rotating screw inside a heated barrel. The extruder outputs the blended material as spaghetti-like strands that go through a cooling process. The strands are then pelletized, classified, quality tested, and packaged. The finished product is a thermoplastic compound formulated and manufactured to fit your application needs. We manufacture our thermoplastic compounds as pellets for injection molding, in sheet format for thermoforming or die cutting, and as flexible or rigid film and film laminates. We produce thermoplastics around the world. With over 20 production plants and more than 1,600 employees, we are well equipped to provide you with prompt, local service and consistent thermoplastic materials wherever your facilities are located. Our compounds are categorized by the wide range of properties they provide, from color and conductivity, to flame retardant and elastomer properties, to structural and wear-resistant attributes. These properties can be combined to solve multiple issues in a single material. At RTP Company, we solve even the most challenging product applications with compounds that use very long fiber for impact resistance and lighter weight assemblies, ideal for metal replacement, anti-static materials to reduce static charge for better functionality, surface protection compounds for less scratch and mar and increased perceived value, elastomeric properties for better grip and tactile enhancement, and flame retardant materials for safer parts. We compound low-friction thermoplastics for longer service life, colored compounds to match your specifications or brand, specialty materials for unique applications like glow-in-the-dark parts, and carbon fiber compounds for higher performance. We also offer sustainable options such as recycled, plant-based, or carbon footprint reduction solutions. Why partner with RTP Company? First, we listen to your performance expectations for the application and review your requirements upfront before formulating a solution. The formulated material is produced and goes through rigorous quality control testing before we send a sample of the product. Following your successful testing of the sample, we scale up production quickly and ship your order. We even provide on-site technical assistance if needed. We partner with you every step of the way, from design concept through production, to ensure that your application is a success. For more information, call your local RTP Company representative or visit www.rtpcompany.com today.